Land of Dreams.
Take the trip with us
On Radio SI.
So we can see ships.
Yeah, the port.
So did you come here with a ship?
No, I don't have a ship. I came by plane.
And where did you come from?
From Mexico. Mexico City, exactly. Yeah,
And you've been here how long?
3 years. I came here in November 2010. Yeah, so 3 years and a half.
And you're happy to be living here by the sea?
Yeah, I'm really happy. Yeah, because Mexico City is very far from the sea. And here I have the sea. In summer I can go swim. It's very nice.
Zlata ladja k nam prihaja iz neznanega je kraja.
Mi nombre es Sergio Hiroki Koike Quintanar. Vengo de la Ciudad de México, México, y he vivido aquí 3 años en Koper. My name is Sergio Hiroki Koike Quintanar. I know that it's a very long name for Slovenians.
Can you do it again?
Yeah, Sergio Hiroki Koike Quintanar. The first 2 are my names, and the other 2 are my surnames. That's the rule in Mexico.
Everybody has 4 names?
No. Well, it's quite common that everybody has 2 names, 2 given names, and by law is the father's name and then the mother's name. So that's why I have 4.
So how do the people here call you?
Hiroki usually. That's my second name. Yeah, and it's a Japanese name because my father is Japanese. My mother is Mexican.
So you come from a mixed family.
Yeah, exactly.
So we're here by the sea right now on the beach. You go swimming here, Hiroki?
Not really much, no. I don't like that the beach is so close to the port because you are swimming and then you see this big ship. I would prefer to go somewhere else, more quiet. Srunian, Ankaran, Piran is also nice.
So after living here for 3 years, and we are in Koper right now, would you prefer to continue living by the sea or go back to a big city like Mexico City is?
That's a good question. I think Koper is a little bit small for me. It's a little bit small for me.
Koper?
Yes, I will prefer something bigger. Something like Ljubljana will be okay. I mean, for working, it's perfect because it's very quiet, so I don't have many distractions. But if I want to go outside or do something else, that's a problem because it's too quiet. There is nothing really going on.
In the evenings especially.
Exactly, yes, during nights or even weekends.
Ojalá que llueva café.
Do you know how many dialects there are in Slovenia?
I heard something like 30. I don't know exactly the number, but I was surprised about that.
Actually between 40 and 50.
I'm curious. Why is the reason that there are so many in such a small country? And you can notice the difference. I mean, when I speak with somebody from Celje or from Ljubljana or from Koper, I can hear like the difference. Here you can hear like a little bit Italian sound, and in Ljubljana you don't hear that. In Celje you hear a different pronunciation of the words.
What about your Slovenian?
It's very bad. I can only say the basic things like Dober dan, Dobro jutro. Yes.
Do you think you have a Koper accent when you...
I have no idea. Nobody tell me. Well, they say that I have a good pronunciation. Maybe it's true, I don't know. One of the places that I really like is Bohinj. It's a very nice lake and the surroundings are really nice. Bled is also very nice. All the seaside. So that's also another thing that has surprised me. For a very small country, you have plenty of things to see.
To kind of wrap it up, so for a very small country, it has a lot of dialects and a lot of different kind of landscapes.
Yes, exactly.
Brinda con el pensamiento.
Now we will listen to Lila Downs. She's a Mexican singer with, I think, Irish parents, but she likes to sing very traditional songs, Mexican traditional songs.
Bebí de tu memoria, aroma tierra, agave y sol. Yo soy la que le gusta este castigo mejor. gotita de mezcal. Gota, 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 gotita de mezcal. Gota, 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 gotita de mezcal. Dicen que tomando pierdes la cabeza y el dinero. Dicen que tomando pierdes la cabeza y el dinero. Pero a mí me crece el pecho con ese mezcal del bueno. Pero a mí me crece el pecho con ese mezcal del bueno. Como toca la barrica, beso cielo de Oaxaca. Como toca la barrica, beso cielo de Oaxaca. Como pinta el mezcalito, gusanito de tu boca. Como pinta el mezcalito, gusanito de tu boca. Cantaba lloró, tanto mezcal, tanto llorar, tanto tomar. Cantaba lloró, tanto mezcal, tanto llorar, tanto tomar. De pechuga mezcalito, mezcalito de maguey. Pa' todo mal mezcalito, para todo bien también. De pechuga mezcalito, mezcalito de maguey. Pa' todo mal mezcalito, para todo bien también.
You are listening to Land of Dreams. This week with Sergio Hiroki Koike Quintanar, a Mexican living in Slovenia.
Well, I was looking for a PhD abroad. So one professor was here before me, and when he came back to Mexico, he told me that they were looking for students.
In Koper.
In Copper, yes. So I decided to apply, and so far it's been really good. The group of research here is very strong.
And you do research in which field?
It's in mathematics.
Math.
Yeah, math.
I've never been good at math,
I know, it's hard for a lot of people.
but I have respect for math, and I've always got along well with people that are good in math.
Well, thank you.
They usually used to do my homework and help me out with the tests.
Yeah, I used to do that when I was in high school.
Son añejas tus gotitas del sabor que yo viví.
Do you regret coming here?
No, not at all. Actually, the opposite. I'm really, really happy to come.
What can you tell me about Slovenia?
They are very different from Mexicans. I don't know, I think that the Slovenians are a little bit cold. They are friendly, that's true, but they don't show emotions that fast, that easy, like Mexicans. And maybe the physical contact is not so much, because in Mexico we like to hug. And here, only you shake hands, and that's it.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
If you shake hands.
Yeah,
at
if you,
all.
yes, exactly. And also the way of they think is a little bit different. I don't know, in Mexico, we've been living in economic crisis for a long, long time ago, and people still live very happy. They enjoy life. And here, with the economic crisis starts, I see that a lot of people go like very depressing and sad. And I've been thinking, well, maybe they are overreacting, but the life is not that bad. Also, maybe the mentality of the Slovenians is more like sad mentality. I don't think that is bad.
They're not optimistic.
No, they are a little bit of pessimistic. Yes. Maybe it's more realistic because in Mexico, maybe we are thinking like, we don't see the future. We like to live the day. But it's also good for Slovenians that think about the future, not only the day.
So Slovenians think about the future,
I think.
but Mexicans live the day.
Yeah, exactly.
And I guess the ideal thing would be a combination of both.
Yeah, something in between, that will be the best.
Is that how you live your life?
Well, my father is Japanese, as I told you, and Japan is like Slovenia, even more. They think a lot about the future. They are more pessimistic than.
More concerned about things.
Yes, exactly. So I have this background. So I think I'm in the middle. Maybe I'm more Mexican because I live all my life in Mexico.
Hiroki, it was nice to come out here by the sea and meet you.
Yeah, it was a pleasure.
I wish you a nice stay here and success in your work.
Thank you very much.
Land of Dreams.
Take the trip with us every Wednesday at 11:20 a.m. and every Sunday at 2:30 p.m. Only
On Radio SI.